Hey family, welcome back to my channel Talk Tiny to Me, where I explore tiny budgets, big adventures, and lots of memories. Today we are going to the Dollar Tree. Here we have $1 pizza crust. In this particular package, there's one pizza crust, which would make a small size pizza, not a little bit bigger than a personal size pizza. On my previous video, I showed you the 2 for $1. This one has the pita breads, and pita breads also make great pizzas. This particular pack has 4 inside there, so you can make 4 personal size pizzas for $1 plus whatever additional items you have in your refrigerator that you can add. Next, we have these little tortillas or breads, plats. There's 24 in the pack. These are corn tortillas. 24, you can make quesadillas. So 24, if you use a top and bottom, that makes 12 for under $1. These are a little bit bigger where you could probably roll them up or make bigger quesadillas. I have these in my refrigerator, and they actually keep very long in your refrigerator, and it makes a great, really quick meal. Here we explore all of the different seasonings that they have at the Dollar Tree. Now, I know Walmart does have a brand that's like 88 cents or 97 cents depending on where you live, but the Dollar Tree has a bigger variety of stuff. And look at that, the coarse salt. Look at that, for 16 ounces, I believe that is. That's an awesome deal for $1. They also have the different type of bacon bits in there. Again, for $1, you really can't bet. And that is name brand. Did you catch that? That is McCormick's. Again, here they have the Parmesan. That looked a little old. Wasn't really impressed. But for $1, what can you say? So here we're just checking out all the different brands of, the different flavor seasonings that they have. They really have a good variety. And for $1, you really can't beat it. There's sometimes you buy a pack of seasoning that you spend $6 for, and you may only use it once. So I find these items over here pretty good. The chopped onions, look at that, the cilantro. Very good variety of seasonings there. So go to your local Dollar Tree, hit them up, find the seasoning aisle, and stock up your cabinet for $1. Look at that. That's the salt with the grinder. It actually has the grinder on there. I thought that was awesome. So you can control how big of the salt how big of crystals you want on your food. There was just so many. I was just really impressed with the amount of the different flavors of seasonings that they did have there. Look at that whole section, all full of seasonings. Okay, here we have the bread. Now, these are the Hawaiian breads. I think I've tried these one time, and they're $1. Now, you know the name brand Hawaiian bread, depending on where you live, can run about $2 for a pack of 4. This is $1 for a pack of 6. I like them for little mini burgers. Here you have the hot dog buns and the burger buns, and now you have bagels. 4 bagels for $1 is a pretty good price. Here we have waffles. Angel loves waffles. She can put those in the microwave on her own. So 6 waffles for $1. She'll usually eat 2. That's 33 cents per meal. They have different flavors there. That first one was chocolate chip. This one is blueberry. They have these brown and served. Not really the best deal, but for $1, quick meal. Now, here you have the noodles. They have the big packs with several little packs inside for $1. I'm not a huge fan of the noodles, but again, this is something that Angel likes. I try to minimize how much she eats the noodles because of the salt content in the packet. But again, for a quick meal, not bad. The little cups of noodles, you could probably find them cheaper somewhere else, but the big pack of noodles are pretty good. But again, for a quick meal, that works. And if you now look at the chips, these are like the Pringles types chips. And if you know the price of the Pringles, they're almost $2 for a jar like that. These are actually pretty good. I was very impressed with the taste. Now you have the little chip, the crackers with the cheese inside. And I believe there's 5 or 6 to a pack. So you do the math, that's 20 cents each for a quick snack. If you like to pop popcorn, there you go. That's $1. I think that was a pretty good deal. The snack aisles in the Dollar Tree, you can really find some good stuff. I'm not showing you everything because I don't snack a lot and some of the things just weren't good. Now, here you go. 12 ice cream cones for $1. Can't beat that. There you go. The crackers again, not a bad price. Sometimes you catch them at Walmart at a slightly cheaper price depending on your market. But what I like is they have the different flavors there. So you can just pick them up, throw them in your purse, keep them at work, keep them at your desk. If you have a quick snack, kids can grab those really quickly and keep it moving. Down here, they have the Granola Bars. It is, again, an off-brand, but once again, quick, easy, simple, inexpensive. Throw it in your bag, throw it in your desk, keep them out on the counter for the kids to grab and go. Makes life so much simpler. This is very impressive. They have 10 individual packs of cookies. That whole box of cookies is $1. So that means each pack of individually wrapped cookies is 10 cents. 10 cents. Can't beat that. Now they do have name brand, the Oreos. There's 4 packs of individually packed cookies inside. So, 25 cents a pack. Can't beat that. Not too bad. These only have 2, so that's 50 cents per pack. These are the little animal crackers. I believe there's 6 in there, 6 in a pack. So again, not too bad. You can easily, again, grab and go for the snacks. I'm all about convenience and making it easier on us. So, again, this is another pack of cookies. This one has 8 in a pack. Still a very good deal if you're going to toss it in their lunchbox. If you're on a nutritional kick and you want to eat better, those are rice rolls. I actually bought those, tried them. Wasn't a huge fan. Was not a huge fan. Well, that sums up my trip to the Dollar Tree. I hope you found some budget-friendly items that you can buy and have in your house for quick meals and quick snacks. Please remember to subscribe, like, and share. Look forward to seeing you in the future. Bye, and have a blessed day.